Brainstorming and Organizing for GRE's Issue Task. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the world of the GRE Analytical Writing section, specifically focusing on the Issue Task. One crucial step towards success in this task is brainstorming and organizing ideas. Let's break this down and ensure you're well prepared. Before diving into brainstorming techniques, it's essential to know what the issue task demands. You'll be presented with a statement or a claim, and you'll need to 1. Analyze the statement. 2. Take a position on it. 3. Provide reasons and examples to support your stance. Brainstorming is a process that helps you generate as many ideas as possible in a short span of time. It's important because it ensures you don't miss out on any valuable points. It aids in creating a balanced argument by considering multiple perspectives. Proper brainstorming can lead to a well-structured essay with clear transitions and logical flow. Here are some proven techniques to aid in your brainstorming session. 1. Mind mapping. Start with the central issue in the middle of your page and branch out with related ideas. 2. Pro-con list. This method helps in weighing both sides of the argument. 3. Free writing. Without any restrictions, jot down everything that comes to mind regarding the topic. 4. Questioning. Ask yourself questions about the topic. For example, why is this important? How does this relate to real-world scenarios? Once you have brainstormed enough ideas, it's time to organize them. 1. Identify main ideas. From your brainstormed list, pick the strongest 2 to 3 points. 2. Group related thoughts. Cluster similar ideas together to form supporting details. 3. Order your ideas. Prioritize your arguments. Think about which should come first, second, etc. 4. Outline. Sketch a brief outline to guide your essay structure. Brainstorming and organizing are vital components of a top-scoring GRE issue task essay. Remember, preparation is key. Practice these techniques, and you'll be well on your way to confidently tackling the issue task. Here's hoping this video has shed some light on how to approach it. Best of luck, and happy writing!